Hello friends, welcome to everyinfosys.com. This is the part 4 of mostly used computer science, IT and general knowledge based abbreviations. And these abbreviations used CSS, FPSC or PPSC exams and others, all types of intelligence tests. So let's start our video. J2EE stands for Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2ME stands for Java 2 Micro Edition. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPEG and JPG. These both are the extensions of images. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JS stands for JavaScript. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSP stands for Java Server Pages. JUG stands for Java User Group. KB stands for Kilobyte. KB stands for Kilobit. KHZ stands for Kilohertz. KVM stands for Keyboard Video Mouse. LAN stands for Local Area Network. And WAN stands for Wide Area Network, WAN WAN. LED stands for Light-Emitting Diode. LIFO stands for Last In First Out. And LSB stands for Least Significant Bit. This term is used in digital logic design. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. MANET stands for Mobile Ad-Hoc Network. MB stands for Megabit. And this MB stands for Megabyte. The capital B stands for Byte. MBCS stands for Multi-Byte Character Set. MBR stands for Master Boot Record. MDI stands for Multiple Document Interface. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MIMO stands for Multiple Input, Multiple Output. MIPS stands for Million Instructions per Second. And MIME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. MHz stands for Megahertz. That's a big unit for frequency. MMU stands for Memory Management Unit. MMX stands for Multimedia Extensions. MNG stands for Multiple Image Network Graphics. MOSFET stands for Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. MPEG stands for Motion Pictures Experts Group. And MPL stands for Mozilla Public License. Mozilla Firefox is a browser. MSB stands for Most Significant Bit. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. MVS stands for Multiple Vendor System. NFS stands for Network File System. NIC stands for Network Interface Controller. NIO stands for New Input Output. NMI stands for Non-Maskable Interrupt. NNTP stands for Network News Transfer Protocol. NOP stands for No Operation. NOS stands for Network Operating System. NT stands for New Technology. in Windows. NTFS stands for Anti-File System. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. NVRAM stands for Non-Volatile Random Access Memory. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. OPML stands for Outline Processor Markup Language. OS stands for Operating System. OSS stands for Open Source Software. And OCR stands for Optical Character Reader and Optical Character Recognition. Both can be. So guys, if you are new on this channel, you can visit our website, that is everyinfosys.com, where you will find all the interesting videos about latest technologies and security cams and spy cams and some interesting latest information. And this is our YouTube channel where you can watch all the interesting videos about artificial intelligence and security cams, spy cams, and latest technologies. Thank you.